Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to join a private Telegram channel without needing an invitation link. Yes, it's possible. Now, let's get started. First, you must open the Telegram app and create a new group. Add at least one member to proceed. Now, once your group is created, tap on its name at the top, then tap the invitation link or what you call invite link. From the options, select copy invite link or share link. Now, open any browser and paste that link in the address bar. Here's the trick. Edit the link, remove the unique characters at the end, and replace it with the name of the private channel you want to join. For example, once you've edited the link, hit go and enter, then tap View in Telegram. Now, Telegram will launch and give you the option to join the channel. Now, tap Join and you're in. To confirm, tap the channel name and check the description, and you'll see that the link matches the one you use. And that's how you join a private Telegram channel without needing an invitation link. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Catch up and see you on the next one.